Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the brush oral care. It's the toothbrush that I did the unbox last time. So at first they only have 5 colors. So somehow they come out with the red color and it was new. And then that's the color that I want. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. So I believe this time my wife ordered the pink one and then the red one. At first she was going to give me the pink one, but somehow somebody swapped it out with me and I ended up with the yellow one. But I checked online, I said that's the red one, which is the new one that just came out. But with the red one, there was like a delay, so I had to wait a little bit longer for it to come. So anyway, here are the 2 of the brushes. Go and then open this up. So we see on the bottom. So here are the SKU number. I don't know about the location, and then pink. And then a pre-sale, which is the red one, electric toothbrush. That's the one that I wanted. So I got the branding right here, BRUUSH. And this one's the pink color. Let's go and then open this up. Got their B logo right there. So I'm not sponsored with this company or affiliate, so we purchased this with our own monies. Maybe they should drill the hole on something like 1 or 2, because the air is sucking inside the box and it's hard to open. So this is the pink color. Got the cover for the toothbrush, and then the brush head, you can remove it, and you only fit one way. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different modes. And when you put this on the charging stand, it will light up. There's a LED right there. And it is wireless charging. It's a thick foam right here. And they come with the quick start guide, warranty and maintenance right here. This one comes with a 2-year warranty, which is awesome. Normally the manufacturer, they only give you 1 year. So here's the additional brush head right here. cover, clear cap. And here's a AC to USB Type A adapter. And then here's your Qi wireless charger. It is also a pink color as well. And it sits there just like that. There's a B logo right there. So the magnetite is not strong. You don't need that strong anyway because you're going to lift this up. You don't want to lift up the whole thing. So for the rubber feet right there. And come with the travel case, which is pretty awesome. It is in black. And this is magnetic. And also come with the additional brush, but without the clear cap or cover. There's a texture right there on the brush head for you to brush your tongue. So let's go ahead and check out the new red color that I got. With this one right here. Yeah, so my sons and my wife really likes it. So I haven't tried it yet. So since I'm waiting for this red one, look at that. Wow. Look like the Supreme red box logo. You put like a Supreme right there, custom. Yeah, somehow with this one, you gotta press faster and to change a different mode. Once you stop, you need to reset it again. I'm pretty sure the Qi wireless charger is red color as well. Oh yeah, it is in red to match it. It's a quick start guide. User manual. So yeah, basically it's the same thing. Come with the extra toothbrush with the cap, your AC to USB Type A adapter, and then the wireless charger. Oh my god, why they pack it like that? Are they dumb or what? You're gonna mess up the connection right here. Jeez. Then here's the case again. Unfortunately, we cannot go travel right now, so anyway, it is what it is. Alright, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And I'll thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.